Good morning, students. I'm Remita from RKN Gyan Jyoti Public School, Chengalpad. This is your English class for 7th standard. Today we see about Unit 3 poem The Shed, written by Frank Flynn. Who is written this poem? Frank Flynn. What is the title of this poem? The Shed. First I read and then I will explain it. There is a shed at the bottom of our garden with a spider's web hanging across the door. These lines describing a shed that is at the bottom of his garden. His means the earth's garden, and in that shed, the spiders was hanging across the door. The hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. When I am in bed, I lie and I listen. I will open the door one day. In that shed, the door joints have become dusty and it was making a lot of noise whenever the wind makes them move. When the poet peacefully lying on the bed, he sometimes hears noises from the shed. The poet wanted to open the door of shed one day. There is a dusty old window at the side with 3 cracked panes of glass. In that shed, the 3 glass panes of the window, it was very broken. I often think there is someone staring at me each time that I pass. I will peep through that window one day. So the 3 glass panes of window are broken. Whenever the poet passes through the shed, he gets the feeling as if someone was staring at him. My brother says there is a ghost in the shed who hides under the rotten floorboards. So his brother said to him, the ghost is inside of the shed, and he was warning his brother if he went inside the shed, the ghost would chop off his head. And if I ever dare to set foot inside, I know that there isn't really a ghost. My brother tells lies to keep the shed for his den. There isn't anyone staring or making strange noises, and the spider has been gone from his web. Since I don't know when I will go into that shed one day soon, but not just yet. So finally, he is able to understand there is no ghost inside of the shed. The spider also no longer there, so therefore the poet should be very soon to go to the shed, but it's not happened immediately. So this is the end of the poem. So have you all understood? I hope you all are understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.